Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Motorola Moto G30 and I want to show you how clean up cache and data on this device. To do that, open Settings application where we scroll down and look for our apps selection, which is right there, and now we tap on See All Apps. There we have a list of our all applications. Now we must find application which we want to clear. In my case it can be calendar, in it storage and cache. And there, to clear only cache we press on clear cache and we clear only cache, but to clear all storage we press on clear storage and confirm by OK, and we clear all storage. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!